Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. Up today we have Ethereum. Ethereum got my attention setting up here on the 15-minute. If we come up here to the 15-minute here, this yellow line that you're seeing here, this is the opening structural range for Ethereum in the pre-market of the New York Open this morning. This was the strong low. This was the week high, so we're in an uptrend. And then here in this candle here, I'll move this. This is a Fibonacci retracement tool. I'll remove this so we can see the price action in here. So we get this price action here with the close below this opening structural range. So this triggers a market structure shift here on Ethereum. So to me, this triggers potential short trade here, but waiting for a pullback, which is why I had the Fibonacci retracement tool and why you see this limit order right here. But this is the original trade idea. I'm just currently waiting for it to transpire. And my system is rather new, so trading small size here, but also working on, with my system, having it being able to trade both ways. So with these types of trades, we get quite a bit of displacement here. You can see this is quite a bit of a sell-off here, and you can see it here on the 60-minute. You can see here quite a bit of a sell-off here, getting this displacement. So it can take some time for trades to come back to my limit order for any potential entries. So with that in mind, I look for or at least I've started looking for opportunities to take the trade back into, or take a trade that will basically trading into my entry here. So while I'm waiting, I can either wait patiently until I get an entry at this level, which is a lot safer because usually the price action down here when this is happening, I'll remove this other Fibonacci retracement. Usually the price action down here in these areas can be sketchy at best. So I'm working on trying to catch these trades as they trade back into my entry. Otherwise, I'm just basically leaving half of the trade potential on the table, which is fine because if I get stopped out or anything in this area, I'm losing money, also losing confidence, as opposed to just waiting for the price action to reach my limit order for an entry for the actual trade. But at the same time, if I'm able to work out the rest of the system in order to be able to take a trade back into the trade, I'm able to take advantage of, I would say, the full move or the full sell-off or the full buy-up, being able to take the pullback into the position and then the position. I may be asking for too much, but if I get an entry in this area, finding a way to catch the pullback would be ideal. So this week I've just been experimenting with trying to catch the pullback, and if I find enough consistency in it, then I'll keep going with it. If not, then I will just wait patiently until my target is hit and avoid this type of price action here. But I'll walk you through what I was seeing here. So we get this sell-off, as I mentioned, and it seems that we find a bottom. We put this this buy candle in, or these series of buy candles in here with this wick. And what I'm also seeing is there's another buy candle here, or a candle where buyers are in control here. So this has my interest. Also here on the 60-minute, that price action here correlates into this candle here. But in addition to these things, right now we're getting a failure, it looks like, for a breakout here. So I may want to stop out of this position just because I've seen these fail to break out of a new high, and typically they just go lower. Or I may take this to break even. We'll see how this goes, but that's to double check just on site here. This would be the high. This is 74.61, and this is 72.63. Okay, so just this failed, and we can see now it's retracing or pulling back here. This could actually fail, or this could be pulled back for the next leg up. So since I'm uncertain, I'm just going to sit on this for now. If this comes back too far, I'll likely get out somewhere around break even, or I may hold for a full loss. We'll see. I made an attempt to go long on Bitcoin, and it failed. So I'm still watching it to see if it will give me another opportunity. But basically with this sell-off, what I'm looking for currently to trade this pullback is I'm looking for a reversal candle with a wick. So like we're seeing here, this candle right here, this is what I want to see, something like this, to show strength that we could be making a turn here on the 60-minute. So with this in mind, I feel comfortable enough in the position to see what it does. Even though Bitcoin failed, I've been observing or solely trading Ethereum and Bitcoin for the last couple of days, and they do not trade identically. So the fact that the Bitcoin pullback trade failed, to me, doesn't necessarily have any merit on whether or not this Ethereum trade is looking good or not. Also, over the last couple of days, Ethereum has been stronger than Bitcoin. So I'll show you how I set this trade up. So this price action that I mentioned here, that was on this that is on this candle here on the 60-minute, this pullback candle, or at least I'm calling it a pullback or reversal type candle here with the wick here. With that price action here, I set the Fibonacci level, and just like I move these lines out of the way so that they don't interfere with the connection to the candle here. Sometimes they get in the way. So this is the I'll set this to the pullback here, and then you can see here my entry is set for this 79%, this 0.79. So the same thing here on this pullback attempt. So set my entry at 79, the same here. So this 26.31.67 here, this is the 79 level, and this is where I was able to get an entry right here at the low of this wick on this candle here. So trying to standardize as much as I can this particular pullback play into my main trade idea. So to see if I can get some consistency. But as I mentioned, the price action down in these areas where the reversal would take place to trade back up into my entry, I've observed has just been erratic. There's a lot of consolidation and just erratic price action, so it can be difficult to get an entry, also knowing where your stop is, because the low can fall out from under you, like it did for me in Bitcoin today. So in Bitcoin I caught a nice trade, but then waiting for the next trade, chop myself up a little bit down in this area here. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on Ethereum to see what happens. I'll show you my stop loss here. So my stop loss is just below this candle here. That's the low here, which is the 26.20.25. So my stop loss is 26.20.23. So just 2 cents below. There's a 1 cent spread on Ethereum, so I give it 2 cents. And take profit is up here at 27.12. Up here, this 27.12.40. I picked this level just because it's, I believe, just shy or about $5 shy of my entry to my short position, which I believe is 27.17.40. So what I've observed is as price approaches this 0.79 level, it can buy up through that level with a bit of aggression or volatility, and preferably I don't want to put a position on, a new position on, let's say a short position on, while I have a long position still on or yet to come off. So even though I believe that there would be more room for profit in this particular trade, I want to take my long off and clear it before I have any potential to enter the short position. But this is what I'm looking at today, this morning, and you can see here on Ethereum quite a lot of consolidation here this morning. So I would anticipate any potential sellers would be waiting in this area. So if price were to come back in, they'd be looking to potentially short it here. In addition to that, I'm also seeing here this as a potential order block, this candle here, which is validated in this candle here. So this is the order block that I believe may be defending this particular trade idea. But we'll keep an eye on things and see how things go. If all goes well, we'll trade up into target. If not, then maybe we'll get stopped out and trade into target a little bit later. But this is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade.